As a buyer, do you know that you can make money on Fiverr as well? Of course you can. Whether you are a buyer or just an online visitor on Fiverr, you can also make money just as how the freelancers and other sellers are making theirs too. But if I demonstrate that to you for the sake of those who have not heard of Fiverr before, what is Fiverr? Fiverr is an online platform where freelancers who are also the sellers trade their skills, products and services online and make money from it when you, the buyers, come to patronize them. So back to the main topic of this video, let us head up to my computer screen and let me demonstrate to you how you, the buyer, can make money on Fiverr as well without selling anything at all. Let's go. Yes, you are welcome to my computer screen, and this is the Fiverr this is the Fiverr website, the Fiverr general website below. This is the Fiverr general website as you can see on my computer screen here. Now, to the process through which buyers can make money online is a process called the Fiverr affiliate system. It's a process called the Fiverr affiliate system. And for you to get access to the Fiverr affiliate system, you have to sign up with a link that I've posted in the video description below. Just look down, you will see the link there. Check the video description below. You will see that I've posted the Fiverr link through which you can get access to the Fiverr affiliate system that will permit you to make money online, whether as a buyer or as an affiliate or anything. And if you click on that link, it will take you to a Fiverr to the Fiverr affiliates homepage here. As you can see here, this is Fiverr affiliates. This is Fiverr affiliate. This is get paid to collaborate as a Fiverr affiliate. You'll be getting to it will take you to this Fiverr affiliate homepage here. And for you to get started, you have to click on join now. This is dashboard login. This is join now. This is for products. This is products that you can promote as a Fiverr affiliate. This is type group. This is resources. This is help center in case you have any issues and you need help or you need questions for your you have any questions you need answered, then this is joiner. In case you are coming in new, then this one is if you have registered a Fiverr affiliate account already. And so in this process here, we are going to click on the Fiverr. We are going to click on the join now. Now, when you click on the join now, it will take you to this interface. Take you to the Fiverr affiliate sign up page. This is the Fiverr affiliate sign up page where you get to put in your first name, your last name, your email address, your username, your password, confirm your password, and the type of account you are creating, whether you are a Fiverr seller or you are a private person or company. Then your source, if you have a social media page or anything or any website that is generating traffic for you, you can put it here. Then your country, your language, and your Telegram, if you have a Telegram number or channel. Then you click on next. You click on this next thing. Then that's how if you click on next, it will take you to another place where you have to fill in your details, and you will continue like that until you have successfully registered as a Fiverr affiliate. Then when you have successfully registered as a Fiverr affiliate, it will take you to this interface. When you have successfully registered as a Fiverr affiliate, it will take you to this interface. As you can see, yes, my own Fiverr affiliate dashboard. I have an account already I have created an account already. So this is my dashboard. This is what you will see. You will see something exactly like this or similar to this. Then for you to get access to your Fiverr affiliate link that you will promote everywhere and use to bring buyers into Fiverr affiliates, of which if they purchase any product, you will get to make money from it. You will click on this marketing tools. You click on this marketing tools. These are the tools that you can use. These are the banners that you can use to promote Fiverr as a Fiverr affiliate and use it to draw in traffic or buyers into Fiverr. Then now the most important thing for you to get your link, you will click on this default and tip link. When you click on this default and tip link, it will take you to this place here. These are the various Fiverr affiliate links through which you can promote and make money on Fiverr as a buyer or as an affiliate. So this is link one. This is the Fiverr marketplace. This link will take your buyers we will take any person that you bring into Fiverr to the Fiverr affiliate marketplace, to the general place. This is Fiverr CPA. But let us check out this Fiverr marketplace. You can see this is Promote Fiverr, the world's largest marketplace for freelance services. Here you get a CPA. You get a commission of 25% and a subsequent commission of 10% if that buyer that you bring in makes a purchase for the next 12 months. This is the link you will promote. If you want to copy the link, you will click on this link here and it will be right copied, and you will copy it and paste it anywhere you want to paste it and promote it anywhere you want to promote it. This is the Fiverr CPA. This is the plan that has been in existence, I think, since when Fiverr was created, but it's still working. You can still promote this one, and in this one you will get to earn just a one-time commission of between $15 to $150, depending on the services that were purchased by the buyer that you bring into Fiverr. Then this is the link for the Fiverr CPA. You click here to copy it. Then this is the Fiverr Pro. This is for you to promote the Fiverr professional services. There are some professional services that Fiverr picks. If you promote such services and any purchases make, you get a CPA, a commission of as high as 70%. Look at it here. For as high as 70% and a subsequent commission of 10% for every purchases that your buyers made for the next 12 months. This is the link here. Then Fiverr has its own exclusive logo maker, of which if you promote it and maybe any buyer designs a logo with it, you get a fixed CPA commission of $30 for the first purchase, and a subsequent 10% revenue for the next 12 months. This is the link here. This is the last one. This is the Fiverr sub affiliate. This Fiverr sub affiliate, if you want to bring in your sub affiliate, if you want to bring it from outside who are also interested in making money on Fiverr through the Fiverr affiliate system, this is the link that you promote, and you will get only 10%. You can see it's low. You will get only 10%. So I advise that if you want to make money online, maybe I advise that you can go for this Fiverr marketplace where you get 25% and for the initial purchase, for the first purchase, and 10% for the subsequent purchase for the next 12 months. If your buyer that you bring into Fiverr make one purchase, you get between $15 to $150 depending on the services that buyer purchases. Depending on the service that purchases, and it's only a one-time commission. Once you get to that one-time commission, every other purchases that your buyer made, you won't get commission for it, but you only get commission on the first purchase that the buyer made. So it depends on you if you want to go for it. Then if you want to promote the Fiverr Fiverr promotional services, though they are very few on Fiverr, but they are highly professional, top quality services. So if you promote them, you can see that it's high. You get a CPA of 70%, and others. And if you want to promote the logo maker and you want to bring in for Fiverr sub affiliates, you get to earn a commission for it. And so this is the reports. Here you report, you get your media reports, you get the registration report, the number of buyers that have registered through your link. You get your earning reports. Although I've not made any earnings since this month, but if you have, you will see the results here. The result will be displayed here of how much you have earned as a Fiverr. Then this is the registration. You can see that only one buyer has registered using my link, but the person has not made any purchase yet. If you have made some commission and you want to see your payments that you have made, it will be reflected here. It will be reflected here. The payment request that you have that you want to send, maybe to your Payoneer account or to your PayPal account, you will see it here. More payment request that you can make is $100. Anything below $100, it won't go. But if you make up from $100 and above, then you can be able to make a payment request requesting that your funds, that your commission be sent to your PayPal account or to your Payoneer account or to your bank account. Then I don't know about this Postbank. Maybe you can study it. Then this is Fiverr sub affiliate, which will display the sub affiliates that you bring into Fiverr. That's the people that also want to make money on Fiverr through the affiliates. You will get to see them here. Then this is then if you want to have a general view of the commission plan, this is it here. For the sub affiliates, you get a commission of 10%. It's low. Then these are the other commission. Fiverr CPA old plan. And if you get to promote services on 3D models, product designs, you get a commission of $50. And but know that all these commissions here, they are only one time. They are one-time commission. After if the first purchase has been made, every other purchase you won't get any commission for it. These are one-time commission only. On first purchase only. This is the Fiverr hybrid. You can promote this one as well. You can promote this one. This is the Fiverr Pro professional service that I talk about. You get to earn a commission of 70%. This is the logo maker that I talk about. You get to earn a commission of $30. Then this is the Fiverr marketplace that I also talk about. You get to earn a commission of 25%. And the ongoing sales revenue. So that will be all for now. So I don't want to prolong this video, but if you are interested, just click on the Fiverr link. Click on the link below and get registered. And so that you can sign up, register, create your Fiverr user account, get your Fiverr link, promote it, and bring in buyers into Fiverr and start making money online. So I think that will be all for now. So getting your affiliate links is on one side. On the flip side, for us to be able to make money, we are going to promote our affiliate links. And how do you promote them? There are many ways through which you can promote your affiliate links. Your affiliate links. There are many ways through which you can promote them. But in order not to prolong this video, I'm going to list the 3 top ways through which you can promote your affiliate links and earn commission from it. Number 1 is through social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and the rest. And for example, on Facebook, you can browse out Facebook groups that are related to your niche. Join the Facebook groups, be an active member in them, provide valuable answers to questions consistently. And during that process, while you are doing all this, insert your Fiverr affiliate link in them. But you have to do this consistently. And why you have to do this consistently is that you have to build so that you can be able to build in trust and that connection between you and other members of your group also. And another method through which you can promote your affiliate link is through online communities. Online communities such as Quora, such as Medium, such as Reddit. Or what you can do is just to join any of these websites, create an account, join any of these websites, and start making meaningful contribution, creating articles, valuable articles that are related to your niche. Join discussion groups, get to answer questions that are related to your niche. And while you are doing all this, putting your affiliate link into it. But I want to advise you that you should be very, very careful, because these online communities have their rules and regulations, have their terms and conditions and guidelines, and user guidelines. So you have to be very careful the way you put in your affiliate, so that you don't get flagged as spam and get your account deleted. And the last is to create what? A website. Yes, to create a website or blog. Write articles, you post content on your website or blog, and while you are doing so, insert your affiliate link into it and promote your website. Like, for example, promote your website across the internet, everywhere on social media, on online communities, everywhere. Also, do your best to rank it, to see if you can rank your website content high up in Google search result rankings using search engine optimizations. This is necessary so that you can be able to drive in traffic to your website. And when you do so, if people landing on your website, read your content, then you can be able to click on your affiliate link and hopefully make a purchase, and from there you earn a commission from it. These are the three biggest ways through which you can promote your affiliate link. There are many others as well, but these are just the three methods through which you can promote your affiliate links. Yes, and before I sign out, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Click on the subscribe button and click the notification bell, so that anytime I drop a video like this, you will be the first to receive a notification about any new videos that I'm dropping online on this channel. So till I see you in my next video, keep winning, start earning online, and bye for now.